Hello, here's a very simple and delicious recipe for vegetarian pasta salad. You'll need tricolor rotini pasta. Go ahead and boil your pasta in salted water according to packaging instructions. Then drain the water and lay it out to dry a little and to cool down. Otherwise, it would mash up when you're making the salad. Place your pasta in a large bowl where you'll be making the salad and then add the fresh ingredients. Start with some English cucumber. I'm using one full cucumber, some cherry tomatoes, and then yellow bell peppers and olives. You could use any color of bell peppers, and then some red onion. Adjust amounts according to your liking. For seasonings, I have black pepper, paprika, Italian seasoning, and salt. Mix those nicely and then spread them all over the salad ingredients. Now here's the dressing that we are using, Olive Garden Italian dressing. It's perfect for this salad and it's super delicious. But if you want to make your salad at home, I will link a video here that has a homemade dressing recipe. Go ahead and add some fresh herbs. I'm using parsley. I added half of it, and then adjust the ingredients as you move along. So mix your salad and then taste it, and if you think it needs a little bit of something, you could add maybe the dressing, maybe the black pepper. Here I'm adding some more parsley and then some more black pepper. Then mix again and your salad is basically ready to go. Enjoy your salad. Of course, you could serve it with a meat or something else. If you're vegetarian, you could enjoy it as it is. I hope to see you again in another video. Thank you very much for stopping by.